Say hello to June Homes 11221, the perfect New York student abode where you can crush academics, make new friends, and explore the city with ease. Your lavish new non-ensuite is decked with stylish hardwood floors, a fully furnished kitchen to whip up deliciousness, and heating so you can stay toasty in any weather. Curl up in your warm bed, perfect for restful sleeps. Store all your belongings in the built-in closet, and complete late-night cramming sessions at the desks. Plus, with in-home laundry, you can easily tackle heaps of clothes. Enjoy breathtaking views from the roof deck, or relish your main character energy on the patio. This property offers it all. Located near prestigious educational institutions such as CUNY Hunter College and Columbia University, so getting to campus is a breeze. Catch a bus from Malcolm X Boulevard or hop on the subway at Utica Avenue Station. Expeditions around the city are a breeze. So, grab your spot at June Homes 11221 and elevate uni life in New York today through amberstudent.com.